In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into iCloud on an old iPhone or iPad. Whether you're setting up a device for the first time or you're trying to access your data after a reset, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process clearly and effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to ensure your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because logging into iCloud and updating your settings can require an internet connection. To do this, open your settings app and navigate to Wi-Fi. From here, select a stable network to connect to. Having a reliable internet connection helps prevent any interruptions during the process. Next, we're going to check if there's an iOS update available for your device. While older devices might not support the latest iOS updates, it's still a good idea to use the most recent version available to you for the best experience and security. Head over to Settings, then tap on General and select Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Don't worry if your device doesn't support updates. You can still proceed with your current iOS version, but make sure your settings are up to date. Now let's move on to signing into iCloud. Open the Settings app again. At the very top, you'll see the option to sign into your iPhone or iPad. Tap on this and a sign-in screen will appear. Here you'll need to enter your Apple ID and password. Ensure this information is correct, as you won't be able to access your iCloud account without it. If you've forgotten your Apple ID or password, follow the on-screen instructions for recovery steps. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to enable the iCloud features you wish to use. In Settings, navigate to Apple ID, then tap on iCloud. This screen will display a list of all the iCloud services available to you. These include photos, contacts, calendars, and more. You'll want to toggle on the services you want to sync with iCloud. This allows your data and files to be backed up and accessible across your Apple devices. By now, you should be all set up and logged into iCloud on your old iPhone or iPad. Enjoy the convenience of having your data backed up and seamlessly synchronized. If you experience any issues or need additional help, Apple Support offers detailed assistance. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.